client came in for a consultation last week. We did the consultation and we decided to put him on M106 large because it could customize down from an 8x10 to 7x9. I suggested 10% gray to match in, to blend in with his hair color because he was more gray than black, but he didn't want to, so we decided to go with 5%. I had to color it, comb in the black color into his existing gray hair. So we cut it down, blended in. At the end of it, he was pleased with the outcome. So sometimes when clients come in and they have their own opinion, we have to let them decide and show them, right? Although we're the professional, I still step back and let them decide, because at the end of the day, they're the one who's gonna live with it. And I don't wanna suggest something and then they're not happy with it. So I just make an adjustment to tweak it, to blend in, and for it to look professional. And that's what I did with his piece.